The individual ranked number 1 in Michael H. Hart's The 100, a ranking of the most influential persons in history is 1. Muhammad. Time frame c. 570 to 632 AD. Occupation role spiritual and political leader, founder of Islam. Hart's core argument unparalleled success in both religious and secular realms. Michael Hart used influence, the extent to which a person changed the course of human history, as the primary criterion for this ranking, rather than greatness. Hart argues that Muhammad is the only man in history to have been supremely successful on both the religious and secular, political and military levels. 1. Singular role in founding and propagating a religion. Foundation of Islam. Hart notes that Muhammad, peace be upon him, not only articulated the main ethical and moral precepts of Islam, but also played the key singular role in proselytizing the new faith, establishing its religious practices and defining its theology. 2. Successful political and military leader. Unification of Arabia. At a time when the Bedouin tribes of Arabia were fragmented, Muhammad, peace be upon him, united them for the first time in history into a single cohesive nation and political force. Arab conquests and empire. Following his death, his established principles and inspiration led the Arabs to launch one of the most astonishing series of conquests in human history. Within a century, his followers carved out a vast empire stretching from the borders of India to the Atlantic Ocean. Hart concludes that these Arab conquests were not inevitable and would not have occurred without him, highlighting the critical nature of his personal political influence. Law and social reform. He established a new society that was not just a religious community, but a complete state with a system of law and governance. Broad and enduring influence. As broad and enduring impact, Hart emphasizes that the influence of Islam on its followers is immense, but Muhammad's impact extended beyond the religious sphere into the political, social, and cultural realms. This influence remains powerful and pervasive over 13 centuries after his death. In summary, Michael H. Hart's decision to place Muhammad, peace be upon him, at the top is based on the unmatched combination of his role as a religious reformer and his simultaneous success as the architect of a vast empire and a lawgiver, making him the single most influential figure in human history. Brief overview of Muhammad's life and the history of Islam. Birth. Born around 570 AD in Mecca, a key trading center in Arabia, into the Banu Hashim clan of the Quraysh tribe. Receiving revelation, prophethood. At the age of 40, while meditating in the cave of Hira near Mecca, he received the first revelation of the Quran from God, Allah, through the angel Gabriel, Jibril. Meccan period, 610 to 622 AD, he began preaching Islam initially in secret, then publicly. He faced intense persecution and opposition from the powerful Meccan elite. The Hijra, 622 AD, following divine instruction and escalating threats, he migrated with his followers from Mecca to Medina, then known as Yathrib. This event marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar Hijri year. Medinan period, 622 to 632 AD. In Medina, he established the first Islamic state, forging the Constitution of Medina, one of the world's earliest written constitutions, to unite diverse tribes. He served as the ultimate political and military leader, overseeing conflicts like Badr, Uhud, and the Trench. Conquest of Mecca. He successfully entered Mecca with minimal bloodshed and purified the Kaaba, the central sanctuary, from idols. Death. He passed away in Medina in 632 AD. By the time of his death, the entire Arabian Peninsula was unified under the banner of Islam, which subsequently spread rapidly across the globe. For details on the second person in this book, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.